I'm building another setup upstairs, and the reason I can't record up there often is because all of my lighting is down here, and lighting can get expensive, but also that's not a space I'm going to be at all the time, and so I didn't want to buy anything that's like major, major investment or anything like that. I ordered 2 of these. Now they are normally $99. This is not sponsored, paid my own money. So that's the light. 40-watt rechargeable bicolor light inside the box. Now I saw the videos, and the videos kept showing the little tripods, and obviously when they showed up they don't have the tripods, and when I looked at the box and what comes in the box I didn't see anything about a tripod, but I was like, well, I mean, they keep showing it in the video. It has to, there has to be something there, right? Wrong, there's nothing in the box. You got the light and you got your plug-in. Now the light shows up. It's actually pretty small. Nothing else in the box. It's pretty straightforward. We'll get to this in a second, but as far as like the way that it looks, comes with this inside, which is the light diffuser. Okay. So there it is there. There's the different sides. I don't know how much noise it's going to be. 40 watt. There's your back. There's your dim and your color. Okay, so we got brightness and power and color. And then let's see if it's, yeah, there is some battery power. Ooh, hopefully that didn't hurt my lens, but man. So it's set to 100%. Gee, my knees, man. Man, those videos might be telling the truth. Those product videos might be telling the truth. That's real brightness. It is single digit adjustment, so it's very, very nice. You don't have to do like a 10%, 5%, anything like that. It is 0 to 100. This is actually a full battery, and as soon as you touch it, the screen lights up, and that's why you couldn't see it, but it's single digit. Sheesh. I mean, that's a whole new world of Aladdin voice, Let's put this back on there. Control that light a little bit. Yeah, that's okay. That's actually not too bad. So I have these set up, and keep in mind, I literally just sat them on my desk. I didn't do any playing around. I can move that one back a little bit further, make it a little bit softer. Move that one back just slightly, make it a little bit softer. But all in all, I mean, that's actually not that bad for literally just setting them there, turning them on, and putting it up. I mean, it's yeah, I'm sure I can work on like settings with my camera. Right now, I'm sitting at 30 frames per second. I have it at 3.5 f-stop, 800 ISO. I mean, I could do some things, change the ISO right there. Alexa, turn on studio.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off Windows Softbox.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off PC Softbox.
Okay.
So that's my regular setup without the 3 lights, because I have a light that sits there, one that sits right above my desk, and one that sits over there. And you should be able to see that from this camera over here. But this isn't that bad from a dark room with just setting these up. And these are bright. And I got these at 1%. And when I look at them, like, I can't look directly down the center of these things. So I can imagine with some better, boxes or something like that, or diffusion on the ends of these things, I can make this really soft. And I'm looking at the video here. It doesn't look that bad. I mean, if I went to 4, that's not that bad of a look in here. And I'm sorry I'm looking over here at the monitor, but that's not that bad at all. 4.5. Again, these are set at 1% each. And if I went up to 2, I mean, yeah, I mean, I'm blown out a little bit there, but a lot of that can be changed. Look at that. 1%. That's not too bad. I mean, I'll see what it looks like at the end of the day when we get to the editing. I mean, versus what I'm seeing here versus what I'm capturing in the camera there. But these are pretty good. These are pretty good from a first impression standpoint. I'm gonna go set these up on my desk upstairs, and we're gonna see what it looks like up there. Okay, so as you can see here, this is not the easiest place to light. I have the ISO still at 1250, and so I'm gonna adjust that back down to around 800 or so. There's a 1000 ISO. There's some highlighting there, of course, from the light that's sitting right here, but that's not too bad, to pull this thing in frame so you can see it. Let's try a different angle so you can go along for the journey with me. I'm now at 800 ISO. I'm at 1/60 again. I'm at a 2.8 f-stop. The autofocus is automatic. I got the one light there kind of dead center to my face, right off to the side here. It's this angle. And that's at 1%, right? And I'm sitting here at 800, and I'm lit pretty well. I mean, yeah, it's a little uneven without any treatments, but if you are looking at this light as something that you're going to take with you into a real shooting environment, I'm sure you're going to have other things with you. You're going to have diffusion, larger diffusion, different things like that. But to be able to jump up and start recording, you see the room when it's like when these lights are off, the difference in this environment. For reference, that's night and day, right? For reference, that is night and day. And so I literally, this is a very dark room. And so these do not have the easiest task. And so I want to make sure that I am setting appropriate expectations that these are doing a damn good job of lighting this space and making this usable. My conclusion on this, which this video was a lot of rambling because this was a true take these out of the box and test them on right away with you all. You saw it with me. More of this will come up in the future. Me talking about these lights. I'm going to be doing some videos on, tools that you need, to start or whatever the case may be. We'll see. But these are damn good. I like these lights. And I'm looking at everything else but, this, even on the monitor there, it looks good, right? So, and I'll see the truth in editing, the gravity of what they can do. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. But right now, these are $79 a piece, $100 regular price. And they don't come with the tripods like they're showing on all the videos. So make sure you got some stuff to sit these on and attach these to. But with that being said, these are good. These are really good, really damn good. And I'll be doing some more intensive, trying these out at night, different things like that. So subscribe, come on back, take a look at them again. Let me know your thoughts in this video. I'll try to address them in the next one. So as always, stay cozy in that crazy world, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.